I love travelling by plane, but I spend the whole time worrying about what's happening in the hole for my wheelchair.
If I could travel on an airplane with my chair, that would really broaden my horizons. Currently, I've only been abroad twice on a plane, and both times my chair has been damaged, and that's put me off because the weight of the chair is quite heavy. And I think if the chair were lightweight and specifically designed for aircraft travel, I'd have more confidence in being able to travel abroad.
I would feel much more comfortable knowing that my chair would be safe once I had arrived at my destination.
At the moment, I have a backup wheelchair just for air travel because I'm so worried that my wheelchair will break in handling and moving. So being able to take a wheelchair on board, which is actually specifically designed for air travel, would be incredible. It would give me so much more independence, give me a bit of peace of mind, give me a lot of reassurance as well.
That would definitely make travelling a lot less stressful.
It would revolutionise how I travel. At the moment, because of how often wheelchairs get damaged, because they like to pull out wires, I tend to choose to travel with a manual wheelchair and employ a personal assistant. If I could travel with my power chair without having to get another human being involved, A, it would be cheaper, but B, I would travel more often.
I think it would be revolutionary. It's something that I've always wanted to do. At the moment, because of my power chair, I don't travel by aeroplane. I don't leave the country by plane. And that really has limited my work and my recreational opportunities. So being able to travel with my power chair on a plane would revolutionise my experiences of travel.